disclaimer 1 and disclaimer 2. Today is the day 15, not date 15, day 14 video. Common mistakes, and what is the question we have adjust. So this is the setup which we are following, and this is the 1 lakh rupees of capital. Then these two need to be with the inline, but currently it's not inline. And the maximum loss is this much. It is not in the limit, and 0.5 to 1.5 risk reward, and currently I can't calculate it because the portion is like that, but let's see. And realized profit will be like 4588.2. Earlier yesterday it's around 16,500. And realized profit, it's yesterday also it's in big unrealized loss. And a few days back it was very good, but last 2 days it's falling like anything, so our profit wiped up, and loss became high. And these are the things we started like with this question. Like this is a setup because at the time market fallen, already fall so much, so we started like this, so that if there is any recovery or consolidation, then we will get some profit. But market didn't consolidate, it instead it break in, and we were expecting this also in last few days, last week. But we can't keep changing the thing. We need to stick to our view, and we need to wait for it. So mm, here these are the profits which we booked earlier. It's around 16,500 rupees, and with that we bought gold bees and we pledged the amount. And yesterday I to shift the position, I booked the loss which I was carrying earlier, like 25,200 CE, and another position I closed at 25,100 CE. These two I closed yesterday, and instead I recreated it at a lower level. It's 24,200 CE. I spent around 9,800 rupees for contract quantity, and 23,850 CE I sold it for around 8,000 rupees. So still there is a difference premium of 1,800, but still we can't go with higher quantity when we are closer to the um, closer range. So that's the reason. So if there is any recovery bounce back or something, we will see today, and based on that we will add that averages. So that's the reason. And another thing, because this whole series it went down like anything, so you can see it went down like anything. It already crossed the previous level. So and it touched 23,500. So the pattern is like this. So usually at the top of uh, at the peak, usually at the peak there will be one or two red candle will come on monthly level. So last month already one big red candle came, and now this month also it's happening. And if otherwise what will happen, it create one doji here, and it will start move up from here. So this November month it is going to be red candle or doji, we will see. So currently it looks like the engulfing red candle only. So but we have 2 more weeks, so we need to wait and see. So if it recovers and it closed around 23,800 or 24,000, then it will be good. And next month either it will create one more candle below 24,000 or up. So at around 500 points, depends upon that we will take one position. But now what we did, like we are trying to minimize the loss which we uh, which we are about to get, because we are following not to no loss strategy. We are following like 1:1 or 1.5 something. So 15,000 if we get, if not 15,000 minus 15,000 we will get. So such strategy only. So because of that we are about to lose our capital, and we know that 30% capital if we lost the series will fail. So we won't we'll try our best to not to lose our capital. Let's see what will happen. And that's about today. And this week's it's raised a little bit, not much, 12.5 to 12.8, 13.1 to 13.2. And this position we can't compare directly because the yesterday position is different. The today's position we recreated it, so we can't compare it directly. And if you see last few days, the theta is very less, and here and there it went to minus 920, because we in C position we are not gaining anything. So bring it to closer, so that now we will get some time decay minus 375. Vega it's again up. So that's about today. Let's see on tomorrow.